So now we're going to check out this 2023 Windsport. This is the 35M. This one came in at 36 foot 10 inches. I know we get a lot of customers that are saying, this may be too long for me, or can I pull it without a CDL? And you'll have absolutely no problem pulling this. It's really, it's easier than you may think, and then you don't even require a CDL to pull it. This has the 7.3 liter V8 motor in it, so it's biggest and best engine you can get as far as fuel economy, and something this big that's going to be huge. You're going to be taking long trips. One actually small feature they add here is actually pretty cool. This is a window actually specifically made for your dog, so you can have your dog or a road window, or they put that there, so they have that as well. And then if you slide down here, you're going to have the outdoor entertainment system, so you have the TV here. Lots of outdoor storage on all these motorhomes. Full length awning right here, and then you also have a slide out topper there, so that covers your slide out.
This is a 23, right?
It is a 2023.
So it has the special below invoice pricing.
Yep.
And I think we have only 3 left.
Yeah.
Does that sound right?
Correct. Yep.
So again, guys, we got a great buy on these. Make it work for you. You can buy a motorhome, a Class A motorhome below cost. We got a question already. What's the question? Do we rent motorhomes so someone can try it before they buy? Absolutely. Yep. And we do something even better than that. When you rent from us, if you decide you want to buy, we will take your rental fee minus the taxes and put it towards your purchase price. So you're not even out anything. So again, rent one from us. We'll take your full rental fee minus your taxes. We'll put it towards the purchase price. So you don't lose a dime. Yeah. Also, we do test drives. If you want to come test drive this thing, that happens a lot. Come, Caden will show it to you, right? And tell them how to get a hold of you and then kick it back in.
So you can reach me. I'm in the sales department at 937-843-4380. Just ask for me or my team. We'll help you out. So we're going to go on the outside here. Lots of out underneath storage, which is huge, especially you can put all your stuff. So you're essentially not even leaving home because you're going to have everything with you. So we'll go ahead and head inside, and I'll show you guys the inside here. So once you get inside, first thing you're going to see is you're going to have huge space here. You're going to be comfortable on those long trips. Nice seats, your swivel seats, nice screen there. You have plenty, and this is actually pretty cool too. I'll come over here and I'll flip this up. This is a nice working space area here, so you have all that working space, storage underneath there, plenty of outlets to charge your devices, lots of storage up there as well. You got the fans to keep it cool up here as well. We'll go over here. You got nice counter space, which honestly RVs, counter space is always nice to have, because essentially you're wanting to take your kitchen with you, and this gives you the room to utilize that. Lots of storage up here. You got your microwave up here. This is your standard, house microwave. It's actually pretty big for an RV. You got an oven there, full-size refrigerator here as well. So plenty of room to keep, anything you need for those long trips. The freezer is also very spacious, so plenty of whatever you need in there. The dinette here, you can take this down. This goes into a bed. And then it's also got seat belts in it, so you can sit here on the trips as well, play cards, whatever you like. It's got charging stations back there, cup holders. We'll go over here to the couch. These all also have seat belts as well, so you can sit here for the whole trip too. And this will actually fold out into a bed, so that's really cool too. You can utilize sleeping there, utilize sleeping there, and then you also have a pull-down bunk above the cab too that you can utilize for sleeping as well. So as far as the entertainment system here in the living room, so you have a nice size TV here, electric fireplace. This does put out heat, and it adds a nice addition, and it looks nice inside of all the coaches. If you want to slide over here into the bathroom, which we're just going to take a peek in here. The nice thing about this bathroom is you actually have room in it to, do what you have to do. You don't feel tight when you get in here. You have a nice ventilation above you as well with the vent. So that's always nice to have.
Carrie asked to see the storage underneath. So we're opening that up right now and turning on the lights and stuff so that she can see it. What are you showing the price on this one?
Sounds good. Price on this one, I don't have a price on
Okay, it's on your screen, guys, so check that out. And also we have the B Plus that was requested earlier coming up right after this one.
Alrighty, so we'll just slide back here into the bedroom now. So you're going to see charging ports on both sides of the bed here. So you have USB-C as well as a 12-volt outlet there. Nice size bed here. This isn't going to be your RV. This is going to be a full-size queen here. TV for the bedroom right here. Actually, lots of closet space too. You'll notice if you look inside of here, and there's multiple cupboards and drawers here. Plenty of room to keep all your clothes here. So really you just have to pack your whole house up and put it in here. You'll have no problem storing it all. If you slide back here, you actually have another bathroom. This is the full-size bathroom. System's going to have a shower as well. So that's also a real nice feature in a motorhome. You got 1.5 baths. You really can't beat that.
Well, the great thing is if you have company, they don't have to use your toilet.
Yeah, they don't have to walk to your
know.
bedroom,
Right.
you know, to go to the bathroom. Yeah, that's a really nice feature as well.
These things are just, I mean, they're very much so luxury units.
Yeah.
Beautiful units. Flooring's amazing as well.
Yeah.
Did you guys get the cockpit real quick?
We did. Yep, we got the
Okay.
cockpit.
All right, we're going to show you this underneath storage real quick, Carrie, and then we're going to head out to the B+.
Yeah, the storage on these are crazy.
Yeah, you can just pan down the side. There's more storage on the other side, but you
Yep.
can see all the storage on this side. It's absolutely amazing.
Lots of storage.
You're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different storage compartments just on this side alone. All right, guys, keep sending in your questions. We're going to go out and look at a B+ next. Again, keep the questions coming. We appreciate you watching.